In the modern professional landscape, you are not just managing tasks, you are orchestrating complex systems. Whether you are a consultant juggling a dozen client portfolios, an operations manager overseeing supply chains, or a small business owner balancing marketing, HR, and finance, the biggest threat to your success is not a lack of effort, it is a lack of clarity. Most project management tools today are built for teams, designed to be cumbersome, and locked behind expensive, recurring subscription models. You are forced to pay for features you don't use, while your most sensitive data lives on a server you do not control. Work Tracker Pro was designed to be different. It is a purpose-built, high-performance command center that lives entirely on your machine. There is no cloud, no monthly fee, and absolutely no internet requirement. This is a tool that recognizes your professional autonomy. When you open Work Tracker Pro, you are not just opening a file, you are opening a dedicated environment for your entire professional life. You can map out up to 2,500 cells across 50 strategic units. Because every department functions differently, our per-unit phase headers allow you to define unique, independent pipelines for every single project. Marketing, engineering, legal, and operations all living within the same cohesive dashboard, yet never cluttering one another. We understand that a dashboard is only as good as the insights it provides. That is why our 16-status lifecycle system, paired with color-coded zones, allows you to scan 50 rows of data in 3 seconds. You will know exactly what is on track, what is delayed, and what is critical. And when the time comes to report your progress, you don't spend your evening formatting data. One click generates a print-ready, A4 optimized executive report that captures the health of your portfolio in heat maps and bar charts. This software is an investment in your stability. Because your data is stored in a standard, portable SQL, you own it permanently. You can back it up, move it to a USB drive, or archive it, ensuring that your life's work remains accessible even if the world changes around you. But the power doesn't stop there. Work Tracker Pro also features a progress over time chart that automatically plots every completion date, so you can show your client exactly how to move from 0 to 73% completion over 176 days. You can click the Maximize button to hide all toolbars and view the full 2,500 cell grid in full screen mode, perfect for deep work or presenting to a team. The Smart Search bar is auto-focused on launch, letting you find any project by name or ID instantly. And with the one-click backup and restore system, your entire database can be saved to a USB drive or cloud storage in seconds. Stop wrestling with spreadsheets that fight back. Stop paying monthly for the privilege of accessing your own data. Join the professionals who have upgraded to a permanent, professional-grade dashboard. Get Work Tracker Pro today. One payment, lifetime access, and total control over your most valuable asset, your progress. Now, let's walk you through exactly how to use Work Tracker Pro. When you double-click the exe file, your browser opens automatically to a dark dashboard. At the top is a toolbar with buttons for creating a new project, saving, deleting, adding rows and columns, searching, and navigating between projects. Below the toolbar, you have the project name and creation date. The main grid is in the center. On the left, you have your strategic units, which are your departments, teams, or areas. Across the top are your task columns, your phases, or steps. Each cell has a drop-down where you can select a status, shown as a colored dot. Green means done, blue means working, amber means warning, red means blocked or critical, and gray means planned. To start a new project, simply click the New Project button. A blank grid appears with 4 sample strategic units and 5 task columns. You can give your project a name by typing it into the title field at the top. To customize the grid, click the Add Unit button to add a new row for a department. Click the name area to type its real name, like marketing or product development. Each unit's phase headers are also editable. Click the small gray label and type the phase name that makes sense for that specific unit. To add a task column, click the Add Task button. A new column appears at the right end of the grid for every strategic unit. Click the phase label at the top of the column to rename it. If you need to delete a strategic unit or a task column, simply right-click on its name or header and confirm the deletion. The software even remaps your progress data, so your historical completion dates are preserved. Working with statuses is straightforward. Click any cell to open the drop-down and choose from the 16 available statuses. When you change a status, the colored dot updates instantly, and the footer row recalculates the totals. If you change a status to done, the software records the current date for your progress chart. Always click the Save Project button. The button is teal when saved and turns orange when you have unsaved changes, preventing any accidental data loss. To find a specific project, type its ID or name into the search box. You can also navigate between projects using the previous and next buttons. To view your progress over time, click the Progress button with the chart icon. A line chart opens, showing your completion percentage over time, perfect for showing to a client or your boss. To generate a full printed report, click the Executive Report button. The report displays a status distribution bar chart, a numeric breakdown table, and donut charts showing the health of each unit. You can click any colored dot in the chart legends to toggle that data set on and off. The report is ready to print on A4 paper with no formatting needed. Backing up your entire database is as easy as clicking the Backup DB button and choosing a save location. To restore, just click Restore DB and select your backup file. The software validates the file before replacing the current database. If you need more space, click the Maximize button to hide the toolbars and display only the grid. Click it again to return to normal view. You now know how to create projects, add and delete units, track statuses, save your work, view progress, generate reports, and back up your database. Work Tracker Pro is designed to be simple. No training required. No manuals to memorize. Just open it, start typing, and take control of your projects. Get Work Tracker Pro today from Top Management Tools.